Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can recover deleted messages on Messenger. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So let's say if you have gone to Messenger and if you have some text messages that you have deleted, now you would like to retrieve them and would like to know the information. If you have archived the messages, you will be able to generally check them out. But if you have not archived them, then you have to go ahead, download the data of your Messenger or Facebook profiles. So you're going to go to Facebook, you're going to go to menu again at the bottom, and you're going to go to settings. Tap on this account center, your information and permissions. You're going to go ahead, transfer a copy of download your information, and you're going to download your information including the Messenger apps. Then you will be able to find some of the conversation that has been deleted over there, and that is the only way for you to find some of the deleted messages, unfortunately, because there are no other ways for you to retrieve your deleted messages on Messenger. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.